guys, so in today's episode we will be I'll show you how to make an old laptop such as this one a lot better. So this is what is probably like a 2005 laptop. It's a Samsung notebook, and basically the two ways that you can make a laptop better are through improving its hardware and by changing its software. So right now this laptop is running Windows XP, I think, and so it's very slow. It has only, I think, 1 GB of RAM, and so yeah, I'll show you just how easy it is to change that. Okay, so first things first, we're going to take off the battery from this laptop. For this laptop, it's very easy. Just slide these two buttons to the side and remove the battery. I will be replacing this old battery with this much larger one, as this one's completely dead right now. So we'll replace that later. Next thing we have to do is we have to unscrew the parts of the laptop. The first part that we're going to unscrew is going to be the RAM, so that we can upgrade that. Okay, so right here we have the RAM of the laptop. It's a laptop-sized RAM sticks, which are easily available anywhere else. So currently this is 1 GB of RAM, I believe. So to take it out, we will simply push these two white little things. The RAM stick pops up, and we take it out. I will be replacing it with this 4 gigs of RAM stick, which once again we place in very easily. Just slide it in like that, and then press it down. And you will know that it's correctly placed if these white sticks are straight. So let's screw that back on. And now we will be screwing off the mainframe of the laptop. Okay, so now that all of it is screwed off, we'll take off the main frame. Okay, so here are the guts of the laptop. So if we take off this step by step, here we have the RAM that we accessed earlier really quickly. Here we have the fan, which is very dirty. We'll clean that up real quick. We have the USB ports on the side, the Ethernet port, and the headphone jack. Over here we have some other stuff that we won't be replacing, and over here we have the hard drive, which if you want to replace, you would simply unscrew and replace it with a standard laptop headphone jack. I won't be replacing it as I have already 150 gigs on this laptop, and that's enough for me. But we will fix this laptop up with a bit of compressed air. Simply, I bought this for like 12 zloty. Plug in this thing, and it goes. It's just some compressed air. So we'll just spray this off. and this allows us to get the dust off of these bits. Alright, so that's that, always a bit of fun. Okay, so now what we do is after, if you want, you've already replaced the hard drive, we simply put the case back on, the same way we did when we took it off. We're gonna have to screw everything back on. Make sure that all these bits snap together, like so. And then screw it back on.